You don't have to miss this video. I appeal to you to tune in right now to Hair Crown UG and watch this video to the end. This is the best, quickest and pain-free technique for butterfly locks. You don't need to miss out, and please do subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget the notification bell. Yes, you are going to be mesmerized how I did this. Yes, this is a beautiful butterfly locks technique that you need to learn right now. Of course, this is how we do it. Very quick, very easy, and very simple to grasp. I first started with my twist. This is her hair, though she treated it in a gold color. She treated it. She tinted her hair to turn it to blondie or gold. Or you can call it color 27. So right now she wanted black, and I first twisted her hair. This is the quickest way of doing butterfly locks. You can twist it in two twos. This is our own hair, and then I'm doing butterfly locks in black color. I got my braids. I used Gina spring, and of course after my boxes, as I've told you already, in her own hair I made my boxes. I did them in twists, and now I'm getting on my butterfly locks. This is how I do my butterfly locks. Please watch me attentively, watch every step. This is a detailed video. First of all, the advantages of this technique: your hair will last longer. It gives you guarantee of your hair growth. By the time you remove your butterfly locks, your hair will have grown so longer than you believe. Then after twisting your natural hair, get your crochet hook as you see me do here. Then crochet your braids. I'm using Gina. Some people use different types of braids, others use Brazilian wool. It depends on anything that you want to use. Others use kinky, but this is the most effective braids that I'm using here, the Gina Spring. So right now here, this is how we do our butterfly locks. Of course, you've already seen me using my crochet hook, crocheting these braids in these boxes I've already made. And then here I'm rolling on my Gina braids on the top of her hair. You make sure I do it this way. I was still talking about the advantages of this technique I use here. First of all, the guarantee of your hair growth is 100%, and then there is no hair breakage, so it gives your hair that support and it will strengthen it, hence protecting it from breakage. This hair I'm doing here is very easy in handling, very easy to style, and so soft. You won't believe how soft this hair is. And then it's very, very light. It is washable, because when you wash it, you don't even need a dryer. This hair can dry by itself. I've done a lot of tutorials how to wash butterfly locks, and you've seen them. I guess if you haven't yet seen them, you can go through my videos on this very channel, Hair Crown UG, how to wash butterfly locks. You can use a dryer, of course, but it's not a must. It can dry by itself. And another advantage This hair is very easy to do repair. I've also done tutorials about doing repair for butterfly locks, and the tutorials and the hair repair is painless, like the same as I'm doing it here. It is so pain-free, no pain at all. And when you're doing repair, you don't have to lock. Of course, I've showed you this, and please look for my previous videos on how to repair butterfly locks. You don't need to lock it, and then when you repair it looks super fresh. And this is a hairstyle that can even last for a year. Believe me, this is proven. I've done it, and it has lasted for a year on some of my clients. The other thing, it is very easy to style. I've already talked about that. It is so protective to your hairline and to your hair. It is so friendly to your scalp. You won't get any itches. You will not get any dandruff at all. I am JK, a professional hairstylist and the CEO of Hair Crown UG. Yes, I'm doing my last, and there is a secret I wanted to show you. It's coming up. Just stick on this video to the end. There's a secret I'm bringing up people didn't know on how to maintain your butterfly locks, on how to prevent dandruff, and on how to prevent itching. Look at how I roll it on. This is the way I roll it on, and in case the braid isn't enough, you watch how I add it on. You can do these butterfly locks to the length you want. You can even do a length that can reach down to the legs. Yes, this is how you add on the braids according to the length of the braids that you want it to be. I give an applause to all my viewers from Brazil, Mexico, United States, Canada, all the South American, North American viewers. I salute you. Then Europe, I thank you so much for viewing, subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing. Of course, the whole European countries watch me. That is France, UK, Canada, France, UK, Sweden, Belgium, all countries from Europe have watched my videos. I really thank you. Yes, before I give an applause to other countries, of course, I want to show this is the ending. This is how you make a neat ending of your butterfly locks, and then you tie it. When you end finishing your braids, you tie it like this. Even if you don't tie, and then you palm roll, but if you don't tie, but to ensure the strength of your strands, it's better you tie. And then when you come to Africa, I salute my people in Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Egypt, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, this is how you're going to make your butterfly locks look beautiful. Ensure that you use mousse. It is so vital to use it, though most videos I haven't been showing you this, but it's so good. It's not a must that you have to use it, but of course this helps your strands to be neat. It takes away all the dripping hair. It takes away all it prevents you from getting the dandruff. This mousse is so nice. This is a coconut made. It's made out of coconut, and it gives your locks a fresh smell and a fresh look. Wow, so coming to the end of our video, look at how beautiful my plant looks. Please subscribe. Of course, I can't forget my friends in Asia. Thank you, all Asian countries. Thank you so much. And of course, Australia. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.